Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's actually been 3 months since my last video. But I'm back, uninspired than ever. Woe is me. Today's video is not about that. Today's video is actually about these lash extensions that I do have in today. The lash extensions are from Kiss Me. Alright, so this is the box. The lashes are called Falscara, the new way to lash. They're called Wispy. They say place wisps underneath with Falscara and bond and seal. So these lashes are like $5. Are like $5 at your local Walmart. I just saw them and thought it would be a good video. I was going to do a tutorial, but it wasn't working out. So if you really want to see that, I will do a tutorial. It's kind of hard to film just knowing that I'm like doing so much with my eyes and I can't see you guys because I broke my cord to my camera. So it's just like, I hope I'm in focus. But the lashes are, I tried them twice. So I tried them twice because the first time they did not come out the way I thought they were going to come out. They came out kind of, I don't know, because I used them on a client. They lasted for the day, but I thought she was going to be able to keep them for like a couple days after that, because after all, they are individual lashes. I put those over top though, so when I put them over top, they didn't really work out. So when I put them underneath, like I usually do individual lashes, they came out a lot better. What do I want to say about these lashes? I do not think these will last like a day or two. I feel like it depends on your glue. It depends on like a lot of things. They're like the at-home version to Mink extensions. The Mink extensions last you a long time. I've heard, I never had them, but I can compare them to that because I have individual lashes that you go to the salon and get. They're really bad for your lashes, by the way, so please don't get them. These are a better alternative. Actually, funny thing is, the slogan is bring the salon home. So these are a good alternative, but if you're looking for something like that's long term, I would prefer to go with something like Adele, and I'll put that up. Is it Ardell or Adele? Adele's the singer. Ardell is the lashes. All right, cool. But if you try something like Ardell works. Kiss, it has individual lashes too. Those work. I just feel all lashes that are individuals, they're really dark. As you can see, it makes my eye, like my whole eye, look really dark. And that's not really what I was going for. Something more bright. They say it looks natural, but to me, these just look like if I did my individual lashes, if I did like a row and a half. And when I mean a row and a half, it comes in like 4 or 6 rows of just individual lashes. If I use like a row and a half, this is probably the effect I would get. So it's nothing really special. It's just more so for, I would say this is more so like the beginner lash. Like these lashes are something you try once, and if you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't ever buy them again, pretty much. But they can be good. I'm a try to stack some lashes on top of these, so I'm gonna wear them for like a day and a half and then try to stack some lashes on top of that. And I would like comment, my first posted comment will be how it goes. But what do I think overall? I think the pros, it comes at a good price. Well, not really. If you buy the whole pack with like the mascara, the glue, all that stuff, it costs about I think it's $15, but if you just get the lashes, it's only $10. I just would prefer to get the lashes because you could buy your own tweezers, you could buy your own mascara. Oh, actually, this Fabreletics. It'll be in the description below for this mascara if you would like to purchase. Also, yeah, it basically comes with all this stuff. So we got the bond. It's like the lashes come in that pack, the bond, the seal, the applicator, and the remover. I guess the glue comes in that little stick too, but it's pointless to me. I just got this type of glue, the strip lash adhesive, just regular black lash glue to do mine. So like I was saying, the pros, I feel like it's easy. It's something beginners can do, people that never done their lashes before can do. No, they're lightweight, so you don't really see them, but you do have to follow the order it comes on in the eye sockets. I don't know if you can see that, but is like eye sockets down here. If you don't, it'll end up like this lash right here instead of this one. They just give me any other lashes type vibes. The cons, I don't think they last more than like a couple days. Like to me, I'm gonna go to sleep, roll around, and then these are gonna be off or probably in my bed when I wake up. But I could be wrong, so you'll see in the comments. That's my only con, that they don't last long. They're a really great idea, and I know they come in two forms. They come in wispy and they come in like, I guess, bolder. I don't know the name of it, but if they would last a lot longer, I think this would be the girlies' first option for their lash extensions. But if not, you will probably have to buy 2 packs, to be honest. If you like that really full lash look that most of the Instagram, like, I'm not saying Instagram to like take away from their craft, but I'm just saying, I'm just referring to Instagram as the place where I see most of the lash techs. But the Instagram lash techs like to do really full lashes, so I don't know if you wouldn't necessarily like these if you like that style of lashes. But if you like something lighter that won't damage your eyelashes as much, this is a good option for you. Just like me, like I don't really like damaging my lashes, because about 2 years ago I got some really bad lash extensions snatched all my lashes out. I was very upset, but they grew back, because like, you know, that's how your body works. But they could have not grew back, because I've had a lot of spots like on my body that if hair is like something disrupted and something's wrong with like the follicle, the hair just won't grow back. So thank God the hair did grow back on my eyelashes. Well, the lashes grew back on my eyelash line. But yeah, like I just feel like this is like the light version type. Like I feel like they would come out with a better, more bolder version, because Kiss has been doing lashes for so long. But maybe not. They basically are just cut up lashes. They're just cut up lashes. They put them into 5s and then you apply them to your eyelashes. Oh, another pro that I forgot. Another pro is the lash line is super thin, but it still makes your lashes look super dark. I don't know what's that about, but they're really thin compared to other lashes. That's one of the things they showcase. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little diagram right there. It shows you theirs and then others. To be honest, the others they're probably talking about is their damn self, because they literally are one of the dominant lashes I see in the beauty supply store, other than what's the other one, Kiss by IMovie. If they was to come out with some eyelash extension, I would be interested, because they have like some of the best drugstore minks I can think of, other than like some random brands that I be finding at beauty supply stores. But like if you go on name brand, those are another good alternative for people that are like me, that don't like to abuse their lashes. Girl, if you like to abuse your lashes and do crazy stuff, that's fine for you. I will not lose another set of lashes. Mind you, I said I lost 1. I meant I lost 2. I lost 2 sets of eyelashes, and it really hurt, and I had none for like a good almost year. I didn't have any lashes until they're just going back. So that is my whole review. I'm sorry if I rambled like a lot doing this review, but I hope I didn't. I hope you get it. I hope you at least try these lashes. I'm not saying you like go and buy them, because they're not that good, but I hope you go and at least try them out once for yourself, because maybe they don't work for me, or they work for me and they don't work for you, or vice versa. Like you might share a tip with me that might make the lashes better for me. So just let me know down in the comments. Also follow me on Instagram, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, which is going to be a hair tutorial. Don't read me if I have the same shit on. Bye.